Garmin GPS devices, from fitness trackers to cycling computers, are known for reliability, but rapid battery drain is a common issue. We'll cover why this happens. Factors include constant GPS signal acquisition in poor coverage areas, background software and apps syncing data, battery age and cold temperatures, and continuous GPS tracking during activities. Understanding these factors is key to fixing the problem. Garmin frequently releases firmware updates that optimize battery efficiency. These updates target background processes that drain power, such as constant satellite syncing and ANT Plus protocol issues. Update your device via Garmin Express software or the Garmin Connect app. According to Garmin, updates resolve 70 to 80% of battery drain issues. Check the software version and update regularly to maintain optimal battery performance. Several settings impact battery life on your Garmin GPS device. First, enable battery saver mode to limit unnecessary features and extend runtime. Next, reduce screen timeout and brightness. A shorter display timeout and dimmer screen save significant battery power by limiting backlight usage. Disable unnecessary notifications and widgets. These constant updates and visual elements drain battery quickly, so turn off any alerts or home screen features you don't need. Turn off auto sync if you don't need constant updates. Automatic synchronization with the Garmin Connect app uses battery power, so disable it when not required. For GPS settings, consider using GPS-only mode instead of GPS plus GLONASS or Galileo if maximum accuracy isn't critical. This is especially helpful in hilly terrain where recalibrations use more power. Manage these settings from your Garmin device's settings menu to optimize battery life for your specific needs. Apps running in the background on your Garmin device constantly consume battery power. These processes, even when not actively used, draw energy for notifications, data syncing, and other functions. Connect IQ apps from Garmin's App Store can significantly drain battery if they're running unnecessary features. Go to your device's app menu and disable or uninstall apps you don't use regularly. Continuous heart rate monitoring drains battery quickly. If you don't need real-time data for your activity, reduce the monitoring frequency in your device settings to extend battery life. Apps often request permissions for location, notifications, and other features that consume battery. Check your app permissions in the Garmin Connect app and disable any that aren't essential for your needs. Make it a habit to regularly audit your installed apps and their settings. Review battery usage in the Garmin Connect app, remove apps you no longer need, and ensure permissions are optimized for better battery life. Newer Garmin models like the Edge 1040 Solar and Phoenix 7 Solar integrate solar charging technology to extend battery life during outdoor activities. These devices feature solar panels that harvest sunlight to recharge the battery continuously during use. This is especially useful for long outdoor activities like cycling or hiking. To maximize solar charging, position your device to receive direct sunlight. For cycling computers like the Edge series, mount them where they get full sun exposure during rides. In addition to solar charging, Garmin devices offer power-saving modes that disable non-essential features during long events. These modes can significantly increase runtime by reducing power consumption. Battery saver mode is particularly effective, estimating battery life and automatically adjusting settings to conserve power. You can enable it in the device's battery manager settings. By combining solar charging with power-saving modes, you can dramatically extend your Garmin device's battery life for those all-day adventures. Let's examine real user experiences. A Forerunner 955 owner experienced battery life cut in half due to a software glitch. The issue was resolved by installing a Garmin update that optimized the ANT Plus protocol for better sensor communication efficiency. Cyclists using Edge 530 devices in mountainous areas discovered that switching to GPS-only mode saved approximately 30% battery power. This change reduced the device's satellite communication load during challenging terrain navigation. During an Everest expedition, Phoenix 7 Solar users prevented rapid battery drain and freezing temperatures through pre-trip battery conditioning and strategic solar exposure. These preparations maintained device functionality in extreme cold conditions. These examples demonstrate that user adjustments can be just as effective as hardware solutions in addressing Garmin GPS battery drain issues. Garmin is actively developing more energy efficient designs. Expect advancements like graphene enhanced or solid state batteries for 2 to 3x longer life. AI driven optimizations will learn user habits to conserve energy. Hybrid power sources combining solar and kinetic energy will further reduce battery drain. App ecosystems that offload processing to phones will help extend device life. The future looks promising for longer lasting Garmin devices.